Veg momos are a popular Tibetan dish that has become widely loved in many parts of the world. They are steamed dumplings filled with a variety of vegetable fillings. Here's a basic recipe for making veg momos. Ingredients. For the dough. 1. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 2. Water, as needed. 3. Salt, a pinch. For the filling. 1. 2 cups mixed finely chopped vegetables, cabbage, carrot, bell peppers, etc. 2. 1 small onion, finely chopped. 3. 2-3 cloves of garlic, minced. 4. 1-inch piece of ginger, minced. 5. 2-3 green chilies, finely chopped, adjust to taste. 6. 2 tablespoons cooking oil. 7. Salt, to taste. 8. 1 teaspoon soy sauce. 9. 1 teaspoon vinegar or lemon juice. 10. 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper. Instructions. Prepare the dough. 1. In a large bowl, mix the all-purpose flour and a pinch of salt. 2. Gradually add water and knead to form a smooth and elastic dough. 3. Cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for about 30 minutes. Prepare the filling. 1. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. 2. Add minced garlic, ginger, and green chilies. 3. Sauté for a minute until aromatic. 4. Add chopped onions and sauté until they turn translucent. 5. Add chopped vegetables and cook for a few minutes until they soften slightly. 6. Add salt, soy sauce, vinegar or lemon juice, and ground black pepper. 6. Mix well. 7. Cook the mixture for a few more minutes until the vegetables are cooked but still retain their crunch. 8. Remove from heat and let the filling cool. Assemble the momos. 1. Divide the rested dough into small portions and roll each portion into a thin circle. 2. The edges should be thinner than the center. 3. Place a spoonful of the cooled vegetable filling in the center of each circle. Shape the momos. 1. Start folding and pleating the edges of the circle to form a crescent shape. 2. Pinch and seal the edges tightly to ensure the momos do not open while steaming. 3. You can make various shapes, such as half moon, round, or even portly shaped, gathered at the top like a pouch. Steam the momos. 1. Grease the steamer or bamboo momo steaming baskets to prevent sticking. 2. Arrange the shaped momos on the steamer, leaving some space between them. 3. Steam the momos for about 10-12 minutes or until the dough turns translucent and the momos are cooked through. Serve. 1. Serve the steamed momos hot with a dipping sauce of your choice. 1. Momos are often served with a spicy tomato-based sauce or a tangy sesame sauce. Enjoy your homemade veg momos as a delicious snack or appetizer. Feel free to experiment with the filling ingredients and adjust the seasonings according to your taste preferences.